Introduction to Saving Strategies. Why saving is important. Hey there, and welcome to our journey toward financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a super important topic, saving money. It's one of the most powerful habits you can develop, and I'm here to walk you through why it's so crucial and how you can get started. Let's jump right in. Let's be real, life is unpredictable. Unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or even sudden job loss can happen anytime. Without savings, these moments can feel like a crisis. But imagine handling them without panic. That's the power of an emergency fund. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to be prepared for anything. The bigger picture of saving. But saving isn't just for emergencies. It's also about reaching your financial dreams, whether it's buying a home, taking that dream vacation, starting your own business, enjoying a comfortable retirement. Having savings turns these goals into reality. It's all about planning ahead, so you're not just living for today, but securing a brighter tomorrow, avoiding debt and keeping more money in your pocket. Here's another big reason to save: avoiding debt. When you have savings, you're less likely to rely on credit cards or loans for unexpected expenses. That means you can dodge high-interest debt and keep more of your hard-earned cash working for you. How to get started with saving. All right, so you're convinced that saving is important. Now let's talk about how to actually do it. Here's your action plan. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Think about what you want to save for, both short-term, like an emergency fund, and long-term, like a house. Step 2. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to see where you can cut back. Maybe skip that daily $5 coffee? Okay, maybe just once in a while. Step 3. Commit to saving. Decide how much you'll save each month and set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Treat it like a bill that must be paid. Step 4. Start small and stay consistent. Even a little goes a long way. Saving just $10 a week adds up to over $500 a year. Remember, saving is a journey, and every small step counts. Stay motivated, celebrate your progress, and keep pushing toward your financial goals. This is just the beginning. Stick with us, and we'll help you build the future you deserve. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more financial tips. What are you saving for? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your goals. See you in the next lesson.